At St Peter's Primary School in Victoria, a junior school teacher demonstrates how she selects and uses content and resources that provide connections with students' prior knowledge or experience.
The lesson that you're going to see today is based around money and children making and comparing different collections of money. The reason this task came about was I wanted to make strong links with money to real life situations. I specifically chose this shopping task because it connected to a series of lessons we'd been doing on maths, where I had a shopping theme as well, where children were exposed to price tags and money. So in this lesson, I've incorporated that topic again, and the children are going to be selecting different goods that they're going to purchase at a shopping centre, and they're going to decide on the price tags for them, and they're going to use coins and notes to make that money amount as well and represent it, and then record that onto a receipt, which will then get used in the next lesson, a follow-up lesson.
Now remember, Cooper and MJ, when we were looking at, do you remember we were looking at the catalogues last week, when we were looking at weights as well, and we looked at different price tags, and sometimes we talked about them using money amounts that we might not be able to make with our coins. So what do we have to do with those money amounts?
Just make it big.
Yeah, and what were those mathematical words that
During the whole class lesson, I was questioning the children about some food items that I had purchased from the shop that I had displayed on the front board, and it was ice cream and strawberries, and I was questioning them to find out which items they believe would be cheaper and which would be more expensive in comparison to each other.
Do you think strawberries would be more expensive? Or do you think strawberries might be cheaper than ice cream? What are you thinking, Cooper?
A bit cheaper.
Maybe a bit cheaper. What are you thinking, Daniel?
If the pan is because it's not the strawberry season, probably a bit expensive.
You're so clever. It depends what season you're buying strawberries. Absolutely.
So I found that as a perfect opportunity to talk about sometimes prices do change in the supermarkets, and it allowed me to then talk about that word expensive and introduce that as part of the maths language involved in money and shopping as well.
What is the value in connecting to students' prior knowledge or experience? How do you cater for the different physical, social and intellectual characteristics of students?